Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make my own very custom fidget toy that I pretty much invented. You know, maybe these exist in a way. I kind of like made it different, but like in the same style. But before we start, I have to tell you something. On our channel, we don't just do Lego bowling videos. We do Connect bowling videos, Beyblade videos. We also have another channel called Pasta Tube Gaming. We do gaming videos such as Minecraft, Cop and Rubber, Roblox, Balloon City Battles, Grown Pirate Room, and FIFA Mobile. And also, guys, check out my FIFA Mobile videos on my gaming channel, because I just packed 115 rated Trophy Titans Roberto Carlos off of a free daily pack. That's insane. Go check that video out. It'll be out soon. Don't worry, it's like 15 seconds. But I'll make a whole video on it. But let's start. So, first things first. We're going to get this. I'm going to place them together. And place this here. That there like so. And then we're going to get this here. Guys, I'll be in just a second. And then next we get like that. And then next we can get ourselves this here, this here, and this here. And then also next we are going to get ourselves this here, that there, this here, that there, and then after that we will get two of these, place them on there like that, and then get this here. I'll be right back. And place that there. And then next we are gonna get that there, right there. like so. Then we turn it around, get that there, turn it back around. So then next we get this like that. Oh yeah, that's why. Well, let me just make sure something real quick. Yeah, okay. So then next we're gonna place this here like so. That there, this here. And so basically here it is. And if you're wondering how on earth this is a fidget toy, well, don't worry, because all you have to do, you do this, you can make nice shapes, then you can bring it back to its original shape, and you can do it the other way around. So it's kind of like an infinity cube, but you just go the other way around. Yeah, so I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to see more videos. Bye guys.